got it running right. It took forever to get the idle right because the bearings were so tight that it took hours and hours and hours of running before the bearings loosened up and I could adjust the idle. The bearings were so tight, as they loosened, the idle would have to change with the loosening, so I couldn't adjust it. It was a very crazy, tight engine to put together. I could hear the bearings spinning in it. It was so tight. And now, after running for a long time, it's nice and smooth. Wow, this is a slow scooter. I mean, moped. Holy shit. Well, it's all put together. The idle's a little high, but it slows down when I chop the wheel a little bit. Maybe I can lower it even more. It's running. I've been riding around on it a bit. Slow as hell. You have to pedal sometimes up big hill, up tough hill. Got a wobble in the rear wheel. God knows where you get another friggin' rim, but I wouldn't go, like I said, I wouldn't go more than 20 miles an hour on this thing. Doesn't have shock. Just not made for it. It's an old Ciao. You ride just like you ride a bike. You don't go quicker than you do on a bike on this one. Like 20 miles an hour top speed, 25 if you're lucky. You can go quicker, but you'll probably bend the rims or bend something because it has no shock. It's kind of, I don't know. Maybe the wheels will catch some of it, but all right. Here we go. You can hear the idle slow down. Pretty good. All right.